my dear students. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Chapter 7 we are doing. No. 16. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. I don't know till where we did. You remember we did a lot of questions already. Up to which one we did, guys? You remember, my dear students? Yeah, I hope I finished this. I remember. This also I finished, and then this one I finished. Now I think we need to do this one. So, okay. Did we do this question? Did I do this question? Dear students, can you see the slide? Can you see the slide? Okay, so okay, so we need to go a little fast. Okay, dears. So you do the calculation and tell me the answers fast. Okay. See here, pH of a 0.1 molar solution of a weak acid is 2.58. What's the ionization constant of the acid? So here we don't know the formula of the acid, so I just write it as HB. Is it okay? HB will give you H plus B minus. Okay. Now, initial concentration. Tell me the initial concentration is 0.1. Here it is 0, 0. Final concentration will be 0.1 minus X. Here it is X, X. Is it okay? Did you understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Doctor.
So now I need to find Ka. Ka is equal to Tarkis of H plus times concentration of B minus over concentration of HB. All are aqueous solutions. That is X squared over 0.1 minus X. Okay. So for that, now we need to find the value of X. So what is X here? Concentration of H plus or concentration of OH minus? Tell me. X is what? Come on. Come on. X is what? Tarkis of H plus. Yes. Now, how do you find Tarkis of H plus? Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
Point K.
Sorry, pH is there. pH is equal to 2.58. From pH, you can find the Tarkis of H plus. How do you find Tarkis of H plus? 10 to the power minus pH, right? That is 10 to the power minus 2.58. Can you please tell me the answer for this? Can you? Or I think I have it. 2.63 10 to the power minus 3 molar. 2.63 10 to the power minus 3 molar is equal to X. So, understood what I did? Understood?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so now Ka will be equal to X square. X square means 2.63 10 to the power minus 3 the whole square over 0.1 minus X. 2.63 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, you will get the answer. Is it clear for you? Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand? Okay. Now next is calculate the percentage ionization of 0.6 molar benzoic acid. Ka is given. Do you remember percentage ionization? How do you find percentage ionization? You remember percentage ionization? Yeah, tell me the formula. That is X over A times 100. So you need to know X, you need to know A. A is here, 0.6 molar initial Tarkis. Okay. Now benzoic acid formula, if you don't know, you can write HB. Actually, it is C6H5COH. HB giving H plus B minus. Okay. Now tell me please, what's the initial Tarkis? Come on. What is the initial Tarkis?
0.6. 0.6.
Yes, 0.6. Here it is 0, 0. Final concentration, please. Come on.
0.6 minus x.
Yes, 0.6 minus x, x. Now, next step, please. Next step. Yeah.
Write the formula for Ka.
Yes, that's equal to, I'm going to write the Ka is equal to concentration of H plus times concentration of B minus over concentration of HB is equal to x square over 0 minus x, that I'm going to write takriban x square over 0.6. Okay, so now what's the value of Ka? 6.5 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to x square over 0.6. So x is equal to square root of 6.5 10 to the power minus 3 times 0.6. Please tell me the answer.
0.062.
Okay, 6.244 10 to the power minus 3, right? Right?
Yes.
This is minus 5. I wrote minus 3. 6.244 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, what is the next step? Checking. We need to check it, no? We have to check it. How do we check it? Tell me.
X
Tell
over
me.
8.
Yes. Checking. Okay, what is it? X over A, correct? What's the value of X? 6.24 10 to the power minus 3. Come on, tell me. Come on, over 0.6, correct? What is
Yes.
this value? Can you tell me the value of this one?
0.0104.
0.0104. So this is less than, that is x over a is less than 0.05. So approximation is valid, right? Correct? That is 0.6
Yes.
minus 6 is takriban equal to 0.6. So this is correct. No. Now percentage of ionization. What's the formula for finding percentage of ionization? Tell me. X over A times 100. Okay, what's the value of X? 6.244 10 to the power minus 3 over A is 0.6 times 100. So what is this answer? It will be 1.03. Is it correct? Is it okay? Correct?
Yes, doctor.
Yes. Okay. Now, next question. What is written here? Aspirin is a weak acid. Okay. A water solution of the acid is prepared by dissolving 5.8 gram of the acid per liter of the solution. pH is given. Calculate Ka and find percentage ionization. Okay. So tell me what is first step? This we did just now. What is step number, Wahat? Here the mass of aspirin is given, volume of the solution is given. So step number 1, you can find, come on.
Mole.
Yes, molarity, number of moles of aspirin, molarity of aspirin. That is number of moles over volume in liter. So how do you find number of moles? Tell me. How do we find number of moles?
Mass over molar mass.
Mass over molar mass. So what is the mass? 5.8. Molar mass is 108.15 times volume is per liter. That means volume is 1 liter. So it's 1. So the answer will be 0.0321. Okay, you can check the calculation if it's correct or wrong. This is one part. Now, pH of the solution is given. So from pH, you can find something. What is it? pH is 1.8. Yes, concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 1.8. Can you please tell me this answer? How much it is? Yes.
0.0158.
Yes, 0.0158 is the concentration. Okay. Now, do you know the formula of aspirin? Do you know the formula of aspirin? You don't know. So if you don't know, you can write the general equation. So what's the general equation? Tell me. Tell me. HB aqueous give H plus aqueous plus B minus aqueous. Okay. So initial concentration. Tell me please, what's the initial concentration? Yeah. What is the Tarkis? 0.0321. Here it is 0, 0. Final Tarkis 0.0321 minus x. Here it is x and x. So K or KB? K or KB?
KA.
K.
K. Ka is equal to x square. Can I write straight away? Can I write straight away? X square over, this is, I'm going to write takriban. You can find K. Okay. Now, x square over 0.321 minus x. Now, what's the value of x, my dear students? What's the value of x?
0.01.
Yes, look here, this x is nothing but concentration of H plus, correct? X
Yes.
is same as concentration of H plus, so that's equal to here x. Okay, so now tell me. It is 0.0158 square over 0.0321 minus 0.0158. So did anyone get the answer? It is 0.0153, correct? Check please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is K. So K is done. Now percentage of ionization. So how do you find percentage of ionization? What's the formula?
X over A multiplied 100.
Yes, x over A times 100. So you know the value of x, 0.0158. A is 0.0321 times 100. So you will get the answer, okay? I hope okay for you.
Yes, doctor.
No. Similar question. Find the pH of the solution obtained by dissolving 0.5 gram of sodium acetate in enough water to make 0.5 liter solution. Ka of the acid is given. You just tell me how to solve it. Tell me the
5
steps.
molar.
Yes. Step number 1, find Okay, after that, find molarity, fine, okay, yes. Then, how do you write the equation? What equation you will write? Come on, tell me. How do you write the equation? Please tell. We have NaC3H3O2.
NS
This is Na plus and this one. This is spectator, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
doctor.
how do you write the equation? Tell me. C3H3O2 minus plus, come on.
H2O.
H2O. H2O. Okay, tell me, I don't know. How do you write? Please tell. We did like this so many questions, no? With minus sign. Come on.
We'll take
Dear students.
H
Yeah.
plus.
Here it is. We have H plus and OH minus. So what will happen? Come on.
So we'll take H plus.
Yes. So what do you get? Tell me. It takes H plus. So the product will be HCH3O2 plus what is it? What is it?
OH minus.
OH minus. So you need K or KB? You need K or KB? K?
KB.
KB. So here initial, we didn't write, I didn't find a molarity, okay? Molarity maybe I can take from the next slide. Molarity 0.035. It is molarity 0.035. So here I will write 0.035. Here is 0, 0. 0.035 minus x, x. So instead of K, I have to write KB. Why I should write KB? Because here it is, come on.
OH minus.
OH minus. So KB is equal to x square over 0.035 minus x. So we know the value of K. So how do you find the value of KB? How do you find the value
10
of
to the power
KB?
minus 14 over
Yes.
5.5.
KB is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 over K. So you have KB, you will find a value of x. This x is pH or POH. X is OH minus or H plus?
OH minus.
OH minus. So you will find pH or POH?
POH.
POH. So find pH. After finding pH, you can find pH. Did you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so it's done clearly on this slide. See, first step molarity there. Then we wrote the equation. So you found KB, and then so find the value of x. X is OH minus, and POH is there. pH is there. Okay, got it? Did you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, yes. Now, yes, tell me how to do this. Come on. 0.002 molar solution of codeine. It's a weak base. Has pH 9.63. Find KB. You don't know the formula of the base. So if you don't know the formula of the base, you can write it as B minus. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
If you don't know the formula of the acid, so if you don't know the formula of the base, write B minus. That's the easiest one. B minus plus H2O. You tell me the equation. I don't know. Tell me, please.
HP.
Yes, H2O can be written as H plus and OH minus. So this takes H plus. So what do you get? HB plus, come on.
OH minus.
OH minus. Now, what's the next step? Tell me. Initial Turkish. Do you know the initial Turkish?
0.002.
0.002. What is the initial Turkish of HB?
0.
Okay. OH minus also 0. Final Turkish. Only
0.0.
only two students are here. Yes, 0.002 minus x. Here it is x. Now, next step.
Write the
Next
formula
step.
for KB.
KB or KA?
KB.
How do you know it's KB?
Because of OH minus.
Yes, since it is OH minus, it's KB. That is a concentration of HB times concentration of OH minus over concentration of B minus. That's equal to x square over 0.002 minus x. Okay. Do you know the value of x? We know the value of, you have to find KB. So now you need x. Do you know the value of x?
No.
No. How will you find x is what? X is actually what?
Concentration of OH minus.
Oh, yes, concentration of OH minus. So what is given in the question?
pH.
pH. From pH, can you find concentration of OH minus?
Yes.
Yes. How?
We will find the concentration of H. I mean the concentration
You
of
can do in two different ways. pH is equal to 9.63. Either you can find pOH and you can find concentration of OH minus, or finding H plus and do that. I'm going to do pOH. pOH is equal to 14 minus 9.63. What is 14 minus 9.63? Yeah. Come on.
4.37.
4.37. So you know the pOH. So how do you find concentration of OH minus? 10 to the power minus 4.37. Tell me the answer.
4.265.
4.265 times 10 to the power
minus 5.
Okay, this much smaller. So KB will be equal to x squared. This is equal to x. 4.265 10 to the power minus 5 the whole square over 0.002 minus. You can write takriban 0.002, okay, because it will be, this value is so small. So you will get the KB value, okay? Did you do the calculation for KB? No, right? Okay, here also I didn't do. No. Yes. Come on. pH of ammonia solution is 11.68. How many grams of NH3 were dissolved in 2 liters of this solution to halve this pH? KB is given. Ammonia is a base. You know the equation for ammonia. NH3, tell please. NH3 plus H2O will give you, H2O means H plus and OH minus. You get NH4 plus OH minus. Okay, so now we have pH. From pH, you can find something. What is it? Come on, tell me.
Concentration of OH minus.
Yes, pH is equal to 11.68. pOH is equal to 14 minus 11.68. What is the value? 2.32. Is it correct?
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Yes.
The concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 to the power minus 2.32. Please tell me.
$4.786.
4.786 10 to the power minus 3 molar, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, do you know the initial Turkish of ammonia? Do you know?
No.
You don't know. So it's let this Turkish, let this be A 0 0. Final Turkish is what? A minus X X X. Is it okay? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So now. So you have the value of KB. KB is equal to, tell me please, help me please. KB is equal to Turkish of NH4 plus times Turkish of OH minus over Turkish of NH3. Correct? Correct?
Yes. Yes, doctor.
So that is X square over A minus X. So this I am going to write Takriban A. So it is Takriban A. Okay, so now, come on, tell me please. Tell me please. Next step. Tell. Come on.
Find A.
What's the value of KB? 1.8 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to, what's the value of X? X is nothing but OH minus, right? So X is 4.786 10 to the 3 over A. So I will get A. A is equal to 4.786 10 to the power minus 3 over 1.8 10 to the power minus 5. Did you get the answer? That is 1.27 molar. So it's 1.27 molar. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So what's the formula? Now you know the molarity. Molarity is 1.27. You know the formula of molarity. N over volume in liter. So 1.27 is equal to N times volume in liter is 2 liters, right? Can you see 2 liter? So N is equal to 1.27 times 2, correct? Is equal to how much? 2.54, right? Moles. So how do you know? This is the number of moles of NH3. So how do you find the mass of NH3? Tell me. Come on. Yes, number of moles multiplied by molar mass. So that is 2.54 times molar mass of NH3 is 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay or not, I gave you a lot of questions to avoid, because this lesson, it's sometimes you get confused. To avoid a confusion, I don't know how many questions we solved in the class. So many, all types of questions we did in the class. Okay. And if you know this lesson well, next lesson also will go smoothly. Okay. Okay. So the next part of how many minutes we have? 10 minutes, right?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so now here, this is very easy and it's very simple. Already we finished all this. Okay, look, hydrolysis of salts. Some salts undergo hydrolysis. That means if the ions present in a salt is not spectated, it undergoes hydrolysis. See, if look over here. If both are spectator, both positive ion and negative ion are spectator, the salt is
Natural.
neutral. If the spectator ion plus acidic ion, the salt will be acidic. Or spectator plus basic, it is, come on.
Basic
Basic.
salt.
If it is acidic and basic, will be acidic if Ka is greater than Kb. If Ka is greater than Kb, it will be acidic. And it will be basic if Kb is greater than Ka. Okay, or you can do it in a different way. Salt of strong acid and strong base, it's neutral. Weak acid and strong base, the one which is strong is basic, so it's basic. Strong acid and weak base, it is, come on, acidic. Weak and weak, if Ka is greater, it will be acidic, or if Kb is greater, it will be basic. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so we will do examples, so it will be clear for you. Now, see, before we go for examples, see, cations means positively charged ions. Positively charged ions are either spectator or acidic. And anions are either spectator or basic. Do you remember this? You remember this? Do you remember this?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Anions, no, just now we did. If it is, look. Listen. This is negatively charged. So since it is not spectator, it gives OH minus. So it's basic. Understand? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay. Look, try to read the first question and tell me it's acidic or basic. Come on. Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? So you want me to explain? Okay, I will explain. Okay, see, we have Al3 plus and Cl minus. Did you understand what I wrote? Did you understand from where 3 plus coming?
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember the spectator cations and anions? Which are the spectator cations and anions? Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, then come on, do you remember? Ca2 plus calcium, then Sr2 plus strontium, Ba2 plus are spectator cations. What about spectator anions? Do you remember spectator anions? What are the spectator anions? Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, NO3 minus, ClO4 minus. Then anything else? Do you remember? Now you
SO4
forgot
minus
everything. Yes, SO4 2 minus are spectator. Okay, so then it is okay. Now here, Al3 plus is a cation. Cation means positively charged ion. Is it spectator? Check the list. Is this spectator? Al3 plus, is it spectator?
No.
No.
No. If it is not spectator, it will be?
Ionization.
No man, it is, if it is not spectator, it will be? What is it, read it? acidic. Did you see? Right? So now this is acidic. And this is spectator. Acidic plus spectator is acidic. So AlCl3 is acidic. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so the pH of the solution will be less than 7 or more than 7. pH will be, yes, less than 7. Okay, now next one. Tell me, what are the ions present? Come on, what are the ions present? Ba
Plus 2.
2 plus. NO3 minus. You understand? Okay. Ba2 plus. Check the list and tell me, spectator or not?
Spectator.
Spectator. NO3 minus. Spectator or not?
Spectator.
Spectator. Spectator plus spectator. Come on. Spectator plus spectator is spectator plus spectator. Come on.
Neutral.
Neutral. Okay. Yes. So it is neutral. What about the pH? pH is 7. Next, tell me. Please tell. K plus C2H3O2 minus. K plus, tell me, spectator or acidic or basic? K plus.
Spectator.
Spectator. C2H3O2 minus. Spectator or not?
Not spectator.
Not spectator. If it is not spectator, it is acidic or basic?
Basic.
Basic. Why? Anions are either spectator or basic. So it's basic. So spectator plus base. Spectator plus basic. What is the salt? Salt
Basic.
is basic. pH is
More than 7.
more than 7. Okay, next one. Tell me, please. Tell me, please.
Na plus.
Na plus CHO2 minus. Na plus. Spectator or acidic or basic?
Spectator.
Spectator. Next one is acidic or basic or spectator? Come on. Come on. Nobody is here in the class.
Basic.
Basic. So spectator plus basic is
Basic.
basic. pH is greater than 7. Now, come on, tell me next one.
NH4 plus. Cl minus.
NH4 plus Cl minus. NH4 plus spectator or acidic or basic? NH4 plus is spectator or acidic or basic?
Basic.
NH4 plus.
Spectator.
Acidic.
NH4 plus spectator ions I wrote on the board. Can you see? Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus. These are the spectator ions which I wrote on the board. Can you see? These are the spectator. So NH4 plus spectator or not?
It's not spectator.
Not spectator.
Not spectator. If it is positively charged, if it is not, cations means positively charged. Either spectator or acidic. If it is a cation, It can be either spectator or acidic. If it is not spectator, it will be acidic. Whereas anions, if it is not spectator, it will be basic. It's like that. So NH4 plus is acidic or basic?
Acidic.
Acidic.
This one, Cl minus, check, Cl minus.
Spectator.
I wrote spectator. Acidic plus spectator. Come on. Come on.
Acidic.
Acidic.
Acid. pH is, come on, less than 7. Now, how do you write this one? FeI3. Come on, tell me FeI3.
F plus 3.
Yes, Fe3 plus. And I minus. Check Fe3 plus. Is it spectator? Check the list. Check the list which I gave. Come on, please tell.
Acidic.
Yes, not spectator. If it is not spectator, it will be acidic. I minus. Check I minus.
Spectator.
Spectator. So acidic per spectator is, come on, acidic.
Acidic.
pH is less than 7. Okay, we will finish this one off. NH4F means NH4 plus and F minus. NH4 plus is not spectator, it's acidic. F minus is basic. If acidic and basic are coming, you go for Ka and Kb. Okay, right? Right?
Right. That's
So
right.
if Ka of NH4 plus is greater than Kb of F minus, it will be acidic. Now, we need Ka of NH4 plus. What is Ka of NH4 plus?
5.6.
5.6 10 to the power minus 10. Now, we need Kb of F minus. Do you have the Kb of F minus? Do you know the value of Kb of F minus? Do you have the value of Kb of
No.
F minus? No, instead what is there? Check no.
H.
Yes, Ka of H plus. From Ka of H plus, how do you find Kb? 10 to the power minus 14 over Ka. So that is 10 to the power minus 14 over 7.6 10 to the power minus 4. Can you please tell me the answer for this one? Yeah?
It is 1.35 multiplied
How
by 10.
much?
1.35
Yes.
multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11.
Minus 11. So which value is big, K or Kb?
Ka.
Ka is greater than Kb, correct? So it's acidic or basic? It's acidic or basic? Acidic. I hope everyone understood. I took how many minutes extra? 5. Oh, sorry, my dears. Okay. Now we have a few more questions that you can do as homework or something. Okay. You can take this. Please take a picture and do as homework. Okay. And we will discuss it next class. Please take a picture. This is the last slide. And your exam is not exam. Quiz is on 10th. It's starting at 9 o'clock. Okay. Usual time 9 o'clock. Did you take the picture?
Yes.
Okay. No, okay, I have taken little more time. Sorry, dears. Okay. Let me take the attendance. Okay, download the attendance. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, dears. Okay, you might have another lecture. Okay, go for it. Okay, okay, dears. Bye-bye.